thought, Lenovo was giving me another box, but they just ship me the whole thing in just original box, which looks surprising. So what we get is the power cord, typical, IBM product. Oh, this is the battery here. See? Okay, we're gonna put it on. Secondly, to the side. Let's go to the meat of this. Ooh. So this is like a Starbucks coffee holder type of material. All right, this is the baby. All right, let me just give a close look at it. So this is a ThinkPad, typical, with a seal, with wrapper around it. Pretty nice. No battery here. So that's the laptop. Let's see what else we have here. Let me just do this. It's quicker. Well, menu gone. This is gone. So essentially, we got a power, battery, and the laptop. So without further ado, let's go ahead, open the bag. Oh, so guys, I cannot return anymore because I break the seal. Well, personally, I have not ever owned a ThinkPad, but I used a ThinkPad before. This pretty similar logo. Pretty sleek though. So let's go ahead and open it up. First time. I have the new laptop smell, which is good. So see, you can hear typical laptop. So, I mean, I'm not gonna have a detailed look of this, but we're just gonna show you what we have. We have a battery here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries on. Oh, is there a seal here? I don't think so. See, there's a, let's go this way. Okay, click. Cool. So we're not gonna turn it on, but I just wanna give you guys a sense on how large the laptop is. So on my hand, Ethan gave me our Apple MacBook. So do you wanna see how it's a little bit bigger than that? Because I believe this is the ThinkPad is 15.9 inches. Width-wise, a little bit bulkier, but not as bulky as I had thought. So which is good. So weight-wise, almost very identical. A little bit, slightly, maybe 5% heavier. So all in all, I think it's the first impression is that pretty solid. Definitely it's not like a Acer or other product. Feels pretty solid. The keyboard feels pretty standard. ThinkPad keyboard. So yep, that's all I have to now. We'll update you guys later on when I turn it on and give it a try.